How to deposit money into your Payoneer account. So the first method is receiving payments from companies, where you can open up your account and go to get paid. And from here, you can get your bank details by clicking on receiving accounts here and pick up one of these available accounts. So you will have usually three accounts, one in USD, GBP, and euros. And if you click on them, it should give you the account details that you can send to the guy or whoever is paying you. Or if you're using platforms such as Upwork, Fiverr, or Amazon, you can link them to your Payoneer account and get paid directly. So for example, on Fiverr, you can go there and you just click on withdraw and it should allow you to link your Payoneer account or use different options. And the second way to receive a payment is sending a request a payment by going to get paid and then click on payment requests. And then you'll need to enter the email or the name of the company that is going to pay you. And once you select who is going to pay you, you can basically choose the payment method, whether it's through Payoneer Balance or bank transfer. Usually the best option is Payoneer Balance and then press next. Now you want to specify the amount. The minimum is 50. And then you will need to enter a description and requesting payment as, which is your name, and then press next. The description is necessary. And then it should ask you to attach any documents if you want to. And then just click on request payment, and this should send a request to the email or the company or whoever is going to pay you. And once they get that request, they can pay you directly. That's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.